What's up, guys? So today we are working on the Fiesta. We are changing out the brake light. This one I already detached to pull out so I could show you guys, but yeah, it's really simple. It's 2 bolts and a little bit of patience, and I'll show you guys how easy it is. So for this, you're gonna need a T25 Torx bit. Okay, you're gonna open your trunk. There's a bolt here and a bolt down here. You're gonna pull those all the way out. Okay, and then once they come out, it's gonna look like this. And then you're gonna pull. Okay, and take a little bit of force to pull. There's these rubber stoppers here that go right in there and right in here, right down there. And then this is where the screw goes, there and here. So when you go to pop it out, it's gonna take a little bit of force. The part number you're gonna need is 3157, and it says also fits compatible 3057, 3047, but 3157 is the bulb that you're looking for. Okay, so once you pop this off like this, you're gonna turn it around. Your brake light is the top one, okay? So you're gonna turn it to the left, right? Gonna turn it to the left until it pops out. It'll pop out like this, and this is the new bulb. I forgot to record taking it out, but that's how it comes out. And then when it goes back in, it's the same process. You're gonna stick it in, and then you're gonna turn it to the right this time, and then until it doesn't come back out, like so. And then that's it. Then you can line this back up and line this back in here like so. Make sure both here, right here and right here, are lined up in the holes, and then push. They should go in like that, and then you can put your bolts back in up here and down here, and then obviously make sure they're in nice and snug. You don't want these bolts coming out on you. And then I'll tighten it down, and I'll show you guys the brake lights once I change the other side here on that end. So just for reference, this is while pressing the brake when the bulb is dead. See, the bulb's not lighting up. Okay, keep pressing it. Yeah, so the bulb doesn't light up. So now I'm going to change it, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like once it lights back up. See? So there you go. Hit it. Hit it one more time. There you go. And that's the before and after. It lights up both sides. Okay, guys, so that's how to change the brake lights on the 2013 Ford Fiesta. Now, this should be the same from, it should be in the title, I think it's 2010 to 2018 or 2016. But that's how it is done. Really simple, easy to do. Anybody can do it. All you need is a Torx and a ratchet and the bulbs. The other thing that I didn't mention that I should probably mention is you do not want to touch the bulb. When you put the new bulb in, you want to just touch the plastic base, like on the sides. You don't want to touch the actual bulb itself. It could cause the bulb to go out before you even put it in. Alright, but then after that, that's it. That's all it is to change the bulb. All the social medias down below, like always. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We're almost to 400 subscribers at the time of uploading this video. I think we're like 5 subscribers away from 400. Which is nuts. Because I remember last year we were at like 170 or something, or 200. So now that we're up to almost 400, we're growing. We're getting the views. People are watching the videos. And I appreciate it. So, see you in the next one. Good vibes, good cruise.